Good morning. We eat the beef cutlet at Palermo style. It's a cutlet even more tasty than Milano's. It's important to prepare well this cutlet. To prepare the tasty breadcrumb to bread the cutlet. 1 bread very aromatized with oregano, black pepper, oil, extra virgin olive, some cheese. We amalgamate the bread with all the rest. We pass the steak in aromatized oil and in this bread we prepared before. We don't fry it but we cook it on a grill. We put it on a grill turning the steak from both sides. We serve the cutlet in a plate with a bit of oil, extra virgin olive, and the dish is ready.
Il piatto è pronto, buon appetito.